Being creative and being in the design industry, of course, there are other elements to my life and things that I do outside of design that actually assist me in my job. I love to dance and I love to sew and cook, and I've always been a creative type of person, and those elements and tools that you learn from doing something else creative can assist you in your job. There's other things like I'm always on the internet reading design blogs and looking up international websites, looking at different designs. For example, like overseas, they use colour and pattern and design in a different way that we don't do in Australia. And I think expanding your skills and your knowledge can always assist you in any element of your life, and I'm lucky enough that it assists me in my design job. I think unfortunately there are a lot of misconceptions about an interior designer and using an interior designer and what our role actually is. I think we're portrayed in the media as someone who comes into a house and waves their magic wand and puts their print on what they'd like the interior to be, whereas that's actually not the case. An interior designer's role is to meet with a client and build a relationship and ask those relevant questions. For example, like, do you have dogs or children, and how was the space used? And then take those elements and apply them to the design. So selecting an appropriate fabric for a sofa and putting all of those elements together that ultimately create a beautiful and functional interior that suits the client and their personality and the way that they live. So it is a space that that they love and that they're comfortable to live in.